Hello teachers, are your bell ringers looking something like this or like this when your kids answer them each day? I was looking at my bell ringers and I got some inspiration from another video I was watching, and like, man, my bell ringers are just boring looking. What can I do to fix that and make them more interesting and catch the students' attention better? So this is similar to the way mine have been looking with the just plain generic form that Google uses, or the background and this color scheme and everything. So let's take a look at this and show what we can do. We can actually add a header to our Google form. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into Google Drawings here, and you could use any other program. You don't have to use Google Drawings, but I'm going to use Google Drawing since we're in all things Google. So let's go to Page Setup, and we'll go to Custom Pixels, and we need to do 1600 by 400. Alright, there we go. So 1600 by 400. Now let's see this. Here's my Bitmoji. I have the Bitmoji extension. So obviously, if you're doing Google Classroom, the Bitmoji is a big part of that. Okay, so I paused the video. I went into my teacher account on my browser, and my Bitmoji extension for Chrome works with the teacher account. And so Bitmojis is a big deal. As you probably know, many of you probably made your own virtual classrooms as part of your Google Classroom, preparing for the school year. So I just went into Bitmoji and I typed in bell ringer Wednesday, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste that right here. There we go. Great. Alright, so there's my Bitmoji man for Wednesday. That's supposed to be me. It's hard to make Bitmojis look like myself, in my opinion. Some people I've seen, they look exactly like them. But anyway, and then here's what we'll do. So we've got that. Let's put in a shape. Let's go with a rounded box here. So something like this, perhaps. And we're going to right click and edit the text. So this will be a bell ringer for my world history class. So alright, so we've got the shape entered, and we're going to type in world history, and then we need to make this look prettier and bigger, so we're going to bump this up a notch on size, see what this looks like. And let's go over to center it, and let's pick some cool looking font style that might look a little fancier. How about lobster? That's pretty cool. Alright, so now what I do on Google Classroom also, when I post my assignments, I have a colored icon. Some of them are like circles, red circles, blue circles, a yellow heart, a purple heart, a green notebook. So I try to use that same color for every time I post an assignment for that week. So the kids are getting, they're used to seeing, hey, if it's a blue circle, that means it's Tuesday's assignment. So I'm trying to associate that color, or that little that little emoji thing before I post the assignments. So let's say for sake that Wednesday is the blue circle. All right, and so I've already got some blue text here. So let's say that Wednesday is a blue circle. So what I decided I would do is go ahead and stay with the blue theme, since the blue circle is shown on, and this is a version of blue, shinier blue, but stay with that same theme that would go well and show up well. So let's go here, let's right click, and actually let's go up to the paint bucket and get a version of blue that might complement this shiny blue, or this neon blue. And that looks okay, I guess. Let's lighten up the letters though, probably. text color, a lighter shade. That looks better. Alright, so world history and bell ringer Wednesday world history. So this is our header for our bell ringer. So what we'll do here is I'll click up here and alright, I'm just gonna leave it like that because I keep hitting the space bar and it's a hotkey and it keeps turning off my recording. So anyway, I'm gonna leave it like that. So bell ringer, and we're gonna go to file and we're gonna download a PNG file, and we can just save that to our desktop, I guess. More jillions of things on my desktop. Alright, bell ringer. Alright, so it's right there. Alright, great. So let's go back to the Google form and see what we can do with that. Let's customize our theme, the little paint thing right there. So we'll choose image and we're going to click upload, and I'm going to just drag that over here. Alright, then I'm going to click done. Okay, so the form will automatically try to take a picture or a color that'll be complementary to what you have. I don't know how blue that is. Let's see. One of these other ones may look a little better. The theme color, go with that. I don't know if I really like that much. Background color, it looks a little better. And this was cool. The font style, you can stay with basic or make it a little more fun since it is bell ringer. This playful font style is a little catchier. Make this required, and now this is what it would look like for your students. So let's preview that. So here's bell ringer Wednesday versus what we saw at the beginning of the video. And I just think, you know, for 6th graders at least, this is going to be a little more interesting, a little more fun. And you can do bell ringer Tuesday, bell ringer Friday, play around with the fonts, play around with the color schemes. So that is how you make a header image for your Google Forms and make your Google Forms more interesting. So I hope this was helpful for you, and I'm going to put this video all together and get it out there for you to see. I hope this was helpful for you, teachers. If you have any questions or comments about things that you do, that'd be great to hear about those in the comments. Thanks for watching.